Alright guys, welcome to another video. We're going to be going over Zoom stock as well as $100 million trade by ARK Invest, Cathie Wood, buying up over 500,000 shares back in last month, November 23rd. So as we can see, Zoom has been getting pretty slammed the past year, down 53%. And it's really at this time where it's actually in oversold territory. So let's go over Cathie's trade. So as you can see, in their holdings, as the stock of Zoom has been declining, ARK Invest Cathie Wood has been making some pretty big bets and buying up more shares, dictated by this purple line. And the stock price is going to be this yellow line, which is steadily decreasing. So Cathie Wood is doubling down, and as we can see, recently she's picked up quite a bit more shares into their portfolios. And we're really looking at this November 23rd date where they bought over 600,000 shares of Zoom. And if we do the math, that's quite a bit of money. So we're gonna be adding up the shares. We're just gonna do approximation here. We'll say 600,000 shares. It's more like 640,000 shares, adding up these two purchases here. And this is November 23rd. So what was the stock price on November 23rd? That was actually around $200 per share. A pretty big sell-off after earnings. People got pretty scared because the outlook didn't look so good as things were reopening. Less people were using Zoom, and overall, it just wasn't looking good. So we'll use an estimate of $200 per share. Take a look at this. $128 million of shares were purchased in November, and constantly she's still adding more shares. We can see November, December, she's buying up more shares. Even recently, December 15th, yesterday, buying up a few 10,000, over $100,000 shares into the portfolio. So these are pretty large purchases. And as we can see, the purple line, which is their shares, is going up exponentially, actually, just because of how low the stock price is of Zoom. And as we can take a look at the 5-year, back in 2020, late 2020, when that was really the peak of all this stay-at-home technology, including Zoom, it hit almost $600 per share as its all-time highs. Because as we can see, it's had been pretty rough after that, and we're sitting at basically a third of its all-time highs. So this stock is down quite a bit. Cathie Wood, ARK Invest definitely thinks this is a great dip buying opportunity. And honestly, it really is sitting at a price point under $200 per share. And especially with the new coronavirus variant, the Omicron, we might be able to see Zoom picking up some more bigger user base just because of everyone a little bit scared again, just because of the variant. We don't know when the pandemic is going to end. And just all the stay-at-home technology, remote software, it will be used once again. And they're here to stay even once the pandemic ends. They're proven technology, proven software, and they're very useful even outside of a pandemic. So that's about it for this video. If it helped you in any way, please leave a like, comment down below what your thoughts are on Zoom, and of course subscribe if you're new to the channel. It helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.